In this video, we consider question number 7 का और पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का और पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का और पार्ट। Consider here in this video, the following pie chart shows the expenditure incurred on the manufacturing of a calculator under the various heads. यानी different heads are software, miscellaneous, hardware, R&D or machinery. Study the pie chart carefully. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the given question. This picture, study carefully and answer the given question. In this picture, we study 25% R&D part, 22.5% machinery part, hardware 25.5%, and miscellaneous part 17.5%, and software part 12.5%. So total 100% in this figure. First of all, one manufacturing of a calculator, यानी यहाँ पर कैलकुलेटर के एक पीस के निर्माण में कितने कितने परसेंटेज एक्सपेंडिचर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स पर होते हैं उसके बारे में यहाँ पर डिटेल से एक्सप्लेनेशन है। R&D 1 पार्ट, मशीनरी 2nd पार्ट, हार्डवेयर 3rd पार्ट, मिसलेनियस 4th पार्ट and software 5 parts. In this picture 5 parts are given, all together 100%, but total amount या total expenditure together not given. So in this video we consider only in English question. So first question is here, what is the central angle? 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 What is the central angle of the sector showing? ये एक sector हुआ. This situation is known as sector. This area presented by angle, percentage and total value. 3 types representation are available in any question. So what is the central angle of the sector showing? At the expenditure incurred on paying for the software. So first of all we consider, we know that 100% equals to 360 degree. First of all we consider 100% equals to 360 degree. So 100% equals to 360 degree and 1% equals to 3.6 degree. This percent multiplied by 3.6, so central angle of this part, this percent multiplied by 3.6, central angle of machinery part, and this sector is multiplied by 3.6. Every part central angle we obtained. Second part, what is the cost price of the calculator on which the cost of R&D and machinery 4. Together cost of R&D and machinery charge together available. So first of all, this part plus this part equals to this value. First of all, we find 1%, then 100%. So what is the total cost of calculator is find out. Second question, the mark price यानी अंकित मूल्य of the calculator is more than its cost price. So first of all, we consider cost price equals to X rupees, then X plus 24% of X equals to X of 124% together. So first of all, this value equals to 186 rupees. Then find out value of X and again find out 22% of this value. We find out R&D. Detailed explanation after some time. And next part, if the machinery charge of a single unit, एक यूनिट बनाने में इतना लगता है, the market price is 30% more than the cost price. यानी cost price से इसका जो है सो mark price 30% more. Then what is the market price of the calculator? तो market price of calculator क्या है उसको हम लोग find out करेंगे. Last question, if the profit of the manufacturer is 20% and the market price of a calculator be 192, then how much money has been spent on its as miscellaneous part? So first of all, we found out cost price, then miscellaneous part. So consider we detailed explanation question number 7 or part. BPSC main exam 24 69th BPSC. First of all, A part, what is the central angle of the sector showing the expenditure incurred on paying for the software. What is the central angle of sector? Software. From figure, this is the software part. This area is 12.5%. This area is known as sector. So first of all, expenditure percent on software equals to 12.5%. We know that 100% equals to 360 degree. In a circle, or 1% equals to 3.6 degree. So the central angle of the software showing pie chart at the center equals to 12.5 into 3.6 degree equals to 40.5 degree. So this is the required आंसर. तो फ्रॉम फिगर ये जो हो गया सेक्टर हो गया सॉफ्टवेयर का. दिस एरिया इज 12.5%. सो एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर इक्वल्स टू 12.5. वी नो दैट पाई चार्ट सेंट्रल एंगल, total central angle in a pie chart equals to 360 degree. So 1% equals to 3.6 degree. So the central angle of the software, this central angle is 45 degree. Second part, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? What is the cost price of the calculator on which the cost price of R&D and machinery charges amount to Rs 127.50. From figure R&D expenditure percent equals to 22%, and machinery expenditure percent equals to 22.5. So together expenditure percent equals to 22 plus 2.5 equals to 44.5%. Total cost together R&D and machinery equals to 17.50. Hence 44.5% equals to 127.50. 1% equals to 127.50 divided by 4.5. 100% equals to total. In sense, 127.50 divided by 4.5 into 100. So total operation is done 127,500 divided by 445 equals to 286.51. The cost price of calculator is 286.51. RS 286.51. So this is the second part, and third section, the marked price of a calculator is 24% more than its cost price. If the marked price of a calculator BRS 186, then what is the cost price? What is the cost price? What is the cost price of R&D used to a सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ कैलकुलेटर है, सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ कैलकुलेटर लेटर. Mark price of calculator is 24% more. तो cost price equals to RS 100, then mark price is 24% more, मतलब 24 is added 124. If the market price of calculator is market दिया हुआ है, तब उसके बाद फिर कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना होगा, उसके बाद फिर इसका निकालना पड़ेगा. तो solution part is here. First of all, let cost price of calculator equals to RSX. According to questions marked price of calculator is 24% more than the cost price. So cost market price of calculator so market price of calculator equals to x plus 24% of x equals to x of 124% equal to 124 x upon 100. This is the equation number 1. And mark price of calculator is 186. This is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have 124 x upon 100 equals to 186, or x equals to 186 into 100 divided by 124. So 18600 divided by 124 equals to RS 150. RS 150. cost price of calculator RS 150. Expenditure percent on R&D equals to 22. So cost of R&D equals to 22% of 150 equals to 22 into 150 divided by 100 equals to operation by calculator. We find out RS 33. So in this part R&D RS 33. Fourth part, D part. If the machinery charges, of a single unit BRS 58.50 and market price is 30% more than the cost price. Then what is the market price? Then what is the price of calculator? Solution part, machinery part. From figure, per unit machinery cost percent equals to 22.5% per unit machinery cost RS 58.50, hence 22.5% equals to RS 58.50, 1% equals to 58.50 divided by 2.5, इसलिए 100% equals to total 58.50 divided by 2.5 into 100 equals to RS 260. RS 260. RS 260. According to question, marked price is 30% more than the cost price. 30% more than the cost price. इसलिए marked price equals to 130% of 260. 260 into 130 divided by 100. 26 into 13. RS 338. Last part. If the profit of manufacturer, if the profit of manufacturer is 20% and the mark price of a calculator BRS 192, then how much money has been spent on it as miscellaneous charge. प्रॉफिट मैन्युफैक्चरर का है 20%, मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ ए कैलकुलेटर, तो पहले कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना पड़ेगा, देन हाउ मच मनी, तब जाकर के मिसलेनियस का जितना परसेंटेज रहेगा कॉस्ट प्राइस का उतना निकाल लेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेटर marked price RS 192, the profit of manufacturer 20%, let calculator cost price equals to RSX show X plus 20% of X equals to 192 or X one 20% of X equals to 192 or 120 into 100 by equals to 192 or X equals to 192 into 100 by 120. From calculator we solve that RS 160. So cost price of calculator RS 160. Miscellaneous expenditure percent equals to 7.5. Total expenditure on miscellaneous part equals to 17.5% of 160. %. So in this video we discuss about क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का और पार्ट स्टैटिक्स प्लस DI इंग्लिश मीडियम बुक वॉल्यूम 1 एंड वॉल्यूम 2 ऑन डिमांड, मोबाइल नंबर 9934902040 9835406716। व्हाट्सएप और कुरियर के थ्रू आप इंग्लिश मीडियम बुक को मंगा सकते हैं और इसका स्टडी करके आप 72 में 72 अंक ला सकते हैं। और ऑनलाइन क्लास करने के लिए आदित्य ऐप को आदित्य IS ऐप को प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करके वहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं और क्लास के लिए इस नंबर पर भी आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। थैंक यू वेरी मच।